people. So it's 6:15 a.m. right now, and we are still at the Radhakrishna Resort in Havelock, and today we have a scuba diving booking. So it's like first time in my life that I'm going to go and do a scuba diving today. Actually, we had a slot of 6 a.m. but we are late. We are running late. So yeah, we'll just go and show you guys then.
So for scuba diving session, we booked it at a private reef which was arranged by Eco Diver India. Sarjan Pulancheri, who's owner of Eco Villa and Eco Diver India, was a very down-to-earth person. As we had a conversation with him, we realized that he had put his blood and soul into creating this reef. We can see almost all type of marine life at this place. There were 2 divers who took us to the beach and trained us for scuba diving. They were so polite, so supportive and so encouraging. I really loved their company. I actually wanted to shoot a personal video with Sarjan and I wanted him to tell you all his story, but we couldn't manage time and that wasn't possible. But I would suggest everyone to please visit Eco Villa and Eco Diver India for scuba diving, as rest of the other places are very crowded, but this was just awesome. The marine life here was so great to see. The experience here was something different. They provide you training, great quality of videos and photos shot by GoPro. So what else do you need? I would highly recommend Eco Diver India for all the water sport activities. They also have night kayaking, snorkeling, deep sea snorkeling, shore diving and boat diving. So I'll mention the link in the description and also their Instagram handles. Make sure you check them out.
We just got done with our scuba diving and it was so awesome, so very awesome. Hiren is like chilling over there. We are on the beach and we have ordered tea. We'll just have tea and then we'll leave after copying all the data. But it was such a great experience. So I know there's so much air over here, so the sound quality may be not up to the mark, but yeah, bear with it. So it was really the best experience of my life. I was so scared at first, but then it went well. I'll share the whole experience once I reach my room or like in a very quiet place where you all can hear everything properly. After scuba diving sesh, we are all ready and we are going to go to Elephanta beach now for snorkeling. So yeah, we just came at our hotel and took some rest, and now then we got ready. So let's go.
So we had to go by boat to Elephanta Beach, and on the way we had to book our tickets for water sport activities. They provide you with a coupon, and then you can also get a refund if you change your mind. So I think that was quite a good service.
So now we are going to go in a boat to Elephanta Beach and उधर हम सब water activities करने वाले हैं. So our boat is Sea Line 5 and it will be arriving in some time.
The boat journey was really enthusiastic. I really enjoyed it a lot. So, the Elephanta Beach has a reserve forest area, and that is the reason that it has a specific time decided for the visitors. We had 11 to 1 p.m. slot just to visit the beach. You can return from the beach by 3 p.m., which means the visiting time is only till 1 p.m. The place is actually very crowded for water sport activities. That is the only thing I didn't like about this place.
So we have finally arrived at Elephanta Beach and we have changed our clothes because हम लोग अभी डीप सी स्नॉर्कलिंग करने वाले हैं. हम लोग को एक्चुअली जो नॉर्मल स्नॉर्कलिंग था वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री था, बट देन उन्होंने बोला कि शायद डीप सी स्नॉर्कलिंग में आपको ज़्यादा मज़ा आएगा. यू कैन टॉक एंड लाइक यू कैन बिहेव लाइक अ नॉर्मल पर्सन. वहाँ पे ब्रीथिंग आई एम सॉरी फॉर द बैकग्राउंड वॉइस. आई डोंट नो वेयर आई वॉज बट या. सो उन्होंने बोला कि डीप सी स्नॉर्कलिंग में थोड़ा ज़्यादा मज़ा आएगा, फ़ोटोज़ वीडियोज़ भी मिलेंगे. So deep sea snorkeling is 1,000 rupees per person because उसमें photos videos included है, and we got a stamp like this. Okay fine, then we are going to keep our bag in the locker which costs 100 rupees per person. So yeah, we'll get back to you guys and let you know how it was. Done with deep sea snorkeling and it was a hell lot of experience. It was so beautiful. It was just like scuba diving. The only difference was that we were floating on the surface and we were not deep inside. But yeah, just जो भी like uncomfortable है अंदर जाने से, जो scuba diving नहीं कर सकते, वो definitely deep sea snorkeling try कर सकते, right?
Exactly. और price wise भी काफी अच्छा.
Yeah, but I thought like I felt कि time duration बहुत ज़्यादा कम था, थोड़ा और होना चाहिए था. That was it. So now we are going for a jet ski ride. हम सोलो जाएंगे, पहले मैं फिर हिरेन, right?
देखते जैसा.
And then we are going to do a sofa ride together. उसका मे भी वीडियो नहीं आ पाएगा because हम दोनों भी साथ में रहेंगे. So let's see. So now let's go for a jet ski. I just got done with my jet ski ride and Hiren is all set for his. So, how are you feeling? Okay, so it's very speedy, I'll say, but just be safe that like your face is away from the handle. That's it, okay? So we are done with all the water sports and now we are heading back to our boat. We'll go back to our hotel. So it was a fun trip but ऐसा लगा कि बहुत कम टाइम था तो
बैठ जाए अभी चलेगा.
that's it. All the boats have been parked over here. Actually this place is like quite crowded, so you know I didn't get that much fun while doing the water sports, so I wouldn't recommend doing water sports in this beach.
So that's it for today. I'll be posting a budget breakdown video for Andamans trip real soon. So make sure you like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to share this video.